do that.
Go. You right?
You got it?
Eric, you got it? All right.
I got it.
Are you sure? Yeah, I got it. You know what? Funny thing is, I don't know why, but I had a strange feeling that this was going to happen.
I had one at my school earlier.
Really?
And I was in, I didn't have a sweatshirt.
Thank you.
Is that everyone?
I think that's it.
All right, let's go. Hello. Right now. Here!
Carter!
Here!
Kira! Mackenzie! Chris! Ken! Eric! Sydney! Beyonce! Iverson! Jasmine! Eric! Rebecca! You didn't even call me. Miss Lucas.
Miss Lucas. Carly's here.
I didn't even hear you say my name.
I don't know why, but oddly enough, I had a feeling that this was going to happen.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not joking. I'm like sitting there in the bakery, and then I'm like, at some point soon today, the fire alarm's going to go off. And then right after I said that, it went off.
Wow. Did you set it off?
I think either you or Tristan fart, and then set the fire.
I don't fart. I don't fart, dude.
You fart.
I don't fart.
Hey, I'm recording for YouTube. You want to say hi?
Yeah, I love to.
Hey, everybody. This is Ken, one of my favorite friends. One of my friends from school.
Hello.
Hello. I thought it was real. We usually do them around 2 o'clock.
Oh, I don't have it.
I have my H120 right now.
Wow.
Fire. They were running
And why is that guy?
Hey, man.
Like bakers would be like that.
The most fire.
When like someone's going to come out.
Yeah, probably because of the sparks.
Someone would back do that.
I don't know. I would do it. I would do it right now, but
Don't
my.
say
know?
blah, blah, blah.
So I want fries.
We're gonna die.
Every time.
Oh,
I'm not going to Klondike Derby anymore.
Why?
I'd rather go to a dance.
You're a horrible
And then go
person.
party for like until 3 a.m.
Chris, you are the worst person ever. Chris, I don't want anything to do with you.
It seems like, every time we have a drill, that's all I hear.
Really?
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Hey, the fire alarm goes off. Oh, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Isn't just me and Rebecca's uniform? It's so much different than all the others.
This is different for me.
Yeah, her uniform is like tan. And then look at Carly. Her uniform is like perfectly white. Rebecca is like tan. It's not that bad out here. No, damn.
No, it's not. Well, yeah, it's a bit damp, but other than that, not terrible.
It'd be kind of more.
I'm not complaining with this. I want to be in the Air Force, so I gotta deal with it.
That's the same thing if you're a firefighter.
Yep. Gotta deal with extreme temperatures.
You know, I went to my first fire a few weeks ago, and I tell you what, it was in the 20s when I got there. And I was
120?
It was in the mid-20s.
Oh, mid-20s.
It was in the mid-20s when I was there.
Yeah.
There was ice all over the place. And I was in my pajamas. What I did was I had sweatpants on. I put, besides sweatpants, I put a pair of pants over it. I had my long sleeve shirt on. I put a sweatshirt over it, another sweatshirt over it,
Wow.
and then my jacket over it. And then I took 2 pairs of gloves with me. I was at the fire for well over 2 hours. And
Wow.
Then, yeah. And by the time I got home, I went to the Speedway on Hamilton Boulevard.
Nice.
One of my friends worked there.
Oh, wow.
He's like, hey buddy, I'll take you home considering you live right up the street.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So you're like on the border between Parkland and East?
You know where you know where the Schnecksville Walmart is?
Yes, I do.
I live right in that development.
Wow.
Very quiet in there. It really is.
So that's East. So that's East Penn.
Yeah, that's the East Penn district.
One of my friends is on the border between East Penn and Parkland.
Really?
Yeah. Do you know where that? Do you know like where that is? The border.
I'm not sure where exactly the border is, but yeah.
Do you know Route 222?
Yeah.
So like do you know where like Jandal Elementary School is?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Do you know
elementary?
Jandal? Like the turkey farms?
Never heard of it.
You don't know where the farms are?
No.
You don't know what the farms are?
I'm just familiar with the schools in my area.
Which ones are there?
The school I went to for kindergarten, I went to Lower McCountry Elementary. That school no longer exists.
It's not a school anymore.
No, they demolished the building a few years ago to make way for a stupid family consumer living thing. But then I went to Schnecksville Elementary for 1, 2, and 3, Willow Lane for 4 and 5, Lower McCountry Middle for 6, 7, and 8, and Emmaus High School for
9 to 12.
Joking, Chris.
9 to 12.
for 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yep.
And now I'm here. And I do plan on maybe going to LTRIC for college. So.
Good luck. Good luck to you, man.
Thanks.
I'm not gonna do college until after I serve. Either during when I serve or like I just won't go at all.
Really? Yeah, I'm standing there talking to Eric. You know, after the incident, what happened with me in the locker.
Oh yeah.
You know, I'm really getting annoyed with that. But anyway, I think it was Rebecca that came in. She's like, "Hey, I'm gonna run to the bathroom." That's all right. And then when she came back, Eric said the exact same thing. And then I said to myself, "Oh, the fire alarm's gonna be going off today." And then just like that, I heard it go out in the hallway. I heard him go off in the hallway first. And then I'm like, whoops, there we go.
They can't lift it up and just aim. Wow.
Alright, come on, let's go. I'm cold.
I'm cold, but I'm dealing with it. Like I said, I'm gonna be in the Air Force, and you have to.
Yeah, but I'm not in bunker gear.
Sure, well, I'm not in my Air Force gear.
I'm in a bakery uniform.
Yeah.
I just heard Carly say, "It's cold out here."
I heard you say that.
No, I just said that. Ken, I said, "Oh, it's cold out here. I'm not even in my bunker gear." And then right after I said that, then you said it.
I didn't hear you.
Well, then I think you may need some hearing aids afterwards.
I don't know.
Yes,
I do. Everyone does it. Who doesn't do it? I or like in the lane. If you sweetheart, if you really want to use the bathroom, then go ahead and run all the way down the fucking boardwalk and go use the bathroom. I'm not doing that. It's right fucking there. Just use it. I'd rather not walk
What
on the
is
fucking
that?
boardwalk
What is
like
that?
a mile just to find a fucking bathroom, and then find out it's fucking locked or all the stalls are fucking packed up. So you know what? I'm just gonna take a squat right in the ocean and go. Fuck that. No one can use that fucking now. Fucking whales pissed in the fucking ocean.
Water's salty enough.
Yeah,
Sleep.
We're here. I don't know. It might not be that cold out today.
I always, whenever I'm in the ocean and I hit those warm spots, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just go over here.
I wonder if this is actually real.
Yeah,
Probably.
I hear the sirens.
I do.
I'm pretty sure it's like in there.
Let me go on the scanner and see if I hear anything. Well, yeah, I just got off the scanner. It said like, what? There's some type of general fire alarm that's going on there. Activated by a smoke detector. I don't know where that happened from. It was in like the visitors area or something like that.
Oh man. Yes, AJ?
I would do 6 small ones.
Good. So when are you planning to do L-Tri-C?
Huh?
When are you gonna plan on L-Tri-C?
Maybe once I graduate from here.
Do you know like how many years you'll be do this?
I plan on either doing 2 or 4 years.
Nice. Good luck, man. Good luck with L-Tri-C.
Imagine if you get back in there and they go off again.
If what?
You know, we go back in there and they go off again.
Somebody just posts.
Yeah, here, I'll go pull the fire alarm again just so we can get out here again.
Go for it.
Jerry, put this on YouTube. Yo, Jerry, put me on YouTube, bro.
Hey, dude, you're not going on YouTube.
Yo, put me on
No.
YouTube.
No.
Yo, I'm on YouTube.
No.
I'm on YouTube.
I don't care.
Yo.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yo,
Yo,
CB got
go
Cowboy.
away for that. Yeah, oh boy.
Yo, look at everything, yo.
Alright, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy.